Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurfai Shahani Metinorizan and my metric number is 275756. So I will be starting the presentation with the event profile. Malaysian International Food and Beverage Trade Fair is one of the largest food and beverage exhibition in Malaysia. It is proudly organized by Constellar Malaysia and popular not only in Malaysia but internationally. For your information, MIFB has become an essential platform for food and beverage industry people to introduce the latest innovation and technology to the world. Moreover, MIFB has received a special award recognition titled Malaysia's largest food and beverage trade fair from the Malaysia Book of Records in 2019. As an event manager, we have our own reasons why we organize this type of event, which are the first one, we want to provide a better platform for our visitors. Through our show, visitors are able to explore local and international products. Furthermore, we hope that we can attract exhibitors who have been actively involved in the production of sustainable and organic food. As a result, visitors will be able to learn about sustainable items that will help them live a healthy life in the future. Last but not least, we would like to create new contacts, find the right suppliers or traders, and build the connection all in one place.
Hi, my name is Limariam Bitiswaimi. My metric number is 281059. So the event operation and logistic used in the Malaysian International Food and Beverage Trade Fair is venue logistic. As the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre is strategic location of the city, regional relationship working and good transportation infrastructure. It's full of facilities, amenities that enable attendees instantly access to the event. Next is vendor services. The event can utilize some of kind electronic devices such as a speaker, lightning and projector. During the event, some of vendors' services include catering, delivering and transportation to ensure that everyone participate has arrived and has everything they need to fulfill their responsibility. Moreover, accommodation that have at a place is suitable for those with the special needs and near with the public transport. They also can walk 2 minutes from Aquaria KLCC. Then the logistic use is transport and supplies change. As the main objective of the event, food distribution involve a variety of companies that collect food from producer and storing it in warehouses. The timing of log-in and log-out is very important for the organizer and the consumer. Warehouses used to store food for short periods of time, while others may only use refrigerated trucks to transport goods directly to their customer. The consumer has high expectation for fast and proper good delivery. Bigger businesses have the resources and cash to equip themselves with the latest technology advances, which is tracking can take place using logistic sensor attached to pallet, boxes and trailer compartment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Oh Hui Ru, metric number 277596. I'm going to present the crowd management plan. First, to ensure that all event staff understand the situation and understand the crowd control measures and plans. All staff has been provided this plan and flow layout. A staff and committee meeting will be held 1 month prior to the event to ensure full understanding. Second, crowd control manager must solve and quickly attract the attention of guests. Staff will utilize the audio equipment or intercom and lighting devices to attract the attention of guests. Third, crowd control manager must keep calmly address the crowd and provide evacuation information. In an emergency, staff will use the intercom system to increase lighting and calmly respond to the guests and will evacuate the crowd. All personnel will be instructed to meet in the assembly area. Not only that, make signs to ensure social distancing between people. Use phaser to keep emergency passengers unobstructed and hire RELA to supervise entry and exit and observe the flow of guests. Last but not least, make sure the sidewalk is clear, well lit, and no obstacle. That's all from my presentation. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Faisal, matric number 281318. So I will continue the presentation on assessment of risk management. The first thing or item that must be examined in risk management is the event and production equipment. All the equipment that poses a risk should be checked from time to time, especially the electrical items. The event manager should always ask questions such as, what could happen if this was put here? Or will it have a severe impact on humans, animals, and the environment, and many more. Second, got the right crowd management processes in place. Crowd also pose a number of dangers such as fight, quarrels with each other, and what is worse is that death can occur. So event manager must ensure crowd management is well managed so that such accidents can be avoided. Third, the event manager needs to check whether there are children or not participating or attending the event. Places that are harmful to the children should be temporarily closed or walled off to prevent them from entering. Any activities designed for children also need to be assessed for their risk management to ensure their safety.
Hi everyone, my name is Cosino and my matric number is 282612. I will continue for the part of assessment risk management. For transport and traffic management, we need adequate bus sharing, signage, parking, and designated pedestrian access in place, whether we are providing transportation to our event or managing traffic accessing the venue. Take the time to lay it out, identify the risk area, and make suitable strategies so that we can rest assured that we have done everything possible to create a safe atmosphere and reduce the likelihood of mishap. Next is our staff and volunteer safety. It is easy to get catch up in making sure our guests and participants have the best time possible and that nothing goes wrong. Our entire event team, on the other hand, is an equally significant group of people. Their safety is vitally important, and we must examine each function and the risks that come with it. Lifting heavy equipment, marshalling crowded roadways, or dealing with crowds are all examples of this. Lastly is refreshment. Have we got vendors serving food on our side? Although we may not have direct control over the food served at our event, we do have a responsibility to be aware of how food is prepared, kept, and cooked. Ascertain that our vendors have the necessary licensing and access to the facility to ensure that their food fulfills food safety standards. That's all for our group 2 presentation. Thank you. Lastly is refreshment. Have we got vendors serving food on our side? Although we may not have direct control over the food served at our event, we do have a responsibility to be aware of how food is prepared, kept, and cooked. Ascertain that our vendors have the necessary licensing and access to the facility to ensure that their food fulfills food safety standard. That's all for our group 2 presentation. Thank you.